Election campaigns, no? Hindi din. Hindi siya BP 880 kasi election code siya. School campuses. School campuses, school rules. Within their school, hindi tayo pwedeng manghimasok dyan because they have their own rules in that school. Okay? So the permit system, this is the general rule. So you must file it with the mayor's office. Have you seen a permit before? It's usually signed by the local chief executive with the mayor. So kailangan may written application ng mga organizers. Ano yung purpose, ano yung oras, ano yung petsa, ano yung route, ano yung estimated number of participants. It must be filed 5 days, 5 working days, okay? Prior to the scheduled assembly. Si Mayor, pwede ba niyang hindi pansinin yung inyong application for permit? Pwede? Hindi pwede. Kailangan niyang at least i-grant or i-deny. He has the duty to do so under this law. Okay? Kung hindi niya gagawin, pwede siyang filean ng kaso.